We're going to start with very basic and easy movement to really master your breath here. Very good. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. And 3 more times here with your own breath. Xin chào, welcome to Pilates with Hannah. This 20 minutes Pilates workout will help you to get familiar with the basic techniques in Pilates. We will learn how to breathe, how to use the breath to control the movement, and how to engage your core properly. So if you're ready, just roll on your mat and let's do it together. Alright, now allow yourself to lie all the way down on your back. So you can put your hand on your rib cage here, bend your knees, open your legs with the pad, and press your feet down. So I want you to inhale and exhale. Now inhale through your nose, exhale deeply through your mouth. Good. When you inhale, I want you to feel your lungs is open, your rib cage is open, and when you exhale, the rib cage just close here, and you're gonna feel like you hide your rib cage in. So really keep it here. Pull your belly button in, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply to your mouth. Now I want you to do it one more time here. So pull your belly button in towards the spine and inhale. Exhale, hide the rib cage in with your belly button still in, and we're gonna have a very good form of your abs engaging here. Another way to really know how your core is engaging properly is you can just use your hand and just do this pumping on your belly and kind of feel like your core gonna automatically go against this, and you're gonna feel like it's engaging now. So keep breathing. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply to your mouth. Very good. And I want you to allow yourself to inhale, arms along your body here, and then arch your back, belly button in, and pull your belly button in to support your lower back here. So tuck your tailbone forward, keep your back flat, and then come back, articulate your spine, and round your spine, keep your back flat here. So we're gonna do it 5 more times with your own breath, and keep breathing. Inhale, and exhale. So one of the different things between Pilates and other exercise is we're going to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth during the class. Keep breathing, inhale and exhale. And don't hold your breath, just always use the breath to control the movement because it's going to help to engage your core more. Alright, and now bring your back to neutral. I want you to bring your legs up to 90 degrees and activate your feet here. So keep your arms along your body. Inhale and bring one leg down. Exhale, lift. Inhale to the other side and exhale, come back. And make sure when you do this, the angle on your knees, keeping the same angle at 90 degrees. So your hips square when you bring your legs back to the center. Keep breathing, back in neutral and belly button in. Very good. Now I want you to inhale and exhale. We're still engaging your core. Another technique we just learned. Very good. Keep breathing. And 5 more times here for more support with the balance. I want you to really press your whole arms down to the mat. And make sure you engage your core back in neutral. Inhale and exhale. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And 3 more times each side here. Feel your lower abs is working here. 2. Slowly with your own breath to the other side, and last one. Inhale and exhale, come back. Inhale to your opposite side, exhale, bring it back and hug your knee to your chest. Inhale deeply to your nose. You can rotate your ankle a little bit and then reverse. Alright, now I want you to allow yourself to activate your feet here and open your arm to the side. Inhale, open your legs wider, and exhale, come back. Use your whole leg, not just your heels or your knee here. So really engage your core in every movement. Start from your hips here, belly button in, and 5 more times with your own breath. Squeezing your thighs and keep breathing. And again, use the breath to control the movement here. Very good. Inhale and exhale. We're gonna start with very basic and easy movement to really master your breath here. Very good. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. And 3 more times here with your own breath. 2. Now last one, open. And slowly bring it back. Bring your legs down. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, now I want you to allow yourself to lift your legs up to 90 degrees again. Keep your heels and your knees together and point your toes to the front. So plantar flex here. Belly button in. Really keep your back in neutral. Now arms along your body again. Inhale, lengthen one leg to the ceiling. Exhale, come back. Inhale to the other side. And exhale, bring it back. And 5 more times with your own breath. Keep breathing. To the other side. Inhale, activate your feet and lengthen your leg all the way up. It's totally fine if you cannot straighten your legs here. So just really listen to your body. You can always keep your knee a little bit softened. Activate your feet always though. So keep breathing. Inhale up, exhale down to the other side, and slowly bring it down one more time. Come back, bring your legs down. Shake your hips. Inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. Now I want you to allow yourself to lengthen one leg to the front, or if you really want to make sure your back in neutral, you can always bend your knee to make it easier. So lengthen your leg all the way up to the ceiling and activate your foot here. So really engage your core, squeezing the thighs here. Open your arms to the side and start to rotate your leg around your hips. We're gonna make a tiny circle here. And I want you to make sure that you keep your hips stabilized here. Inhale halfway and exhale halfway. You can always put your hand on opposite hip bones and press it down. Keep breathing. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to the other side and reverse. Very good. Keep breathing. Do it slowly with your own breath. And I really want you to use the breath to control the movement here. So inhale and exhale. And 2. Now last round. And back all the way to the original point. Bend your knee, hug your knee to your chest, rotate your ankle and reverse. And to the other side again. We're going to do the same thing. Rotate your leg around your hips and make sure your hips not lift up. Really press both hips down to the mat and keep them balanced. Belly button in. And a couple more times with your own breath. Really activate your foot. And 3, 2, and last one. Beautiful. And reverse. So keep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Do it really slowly with your breath. And 4 more times with your own breath. Keep breathing. 3, belly button in. 2, now last one. And slowly bring it back to the center. Hug your knee to your chest, rotate your ankle. Now reverse. And the last movement for today, I want you to press your foot down, open your legs with a pat. Now 1 foot distance from your heel to your butt, you can put your feet in between your heel and your hips here to really calculate it. Now open your legs here with a pat here, press your feet down, your whole feet contact to the mat. And now I want you to inhale, lift your head and your shoulder off the mat. So 1 foot, 1 feet distance from your chin to your chest here. Always keep the same distance, not chin to chest, not further away. You're gonna put a lot of pressure on your neck if you do that. Now I want you to inhale, your neck is in good position. Now your shoulder, your chest, really lift it up higher a little bit to feel your core here. Arms along your body and start to inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly button in, use your whole arms. And we call it the 100, but like the modification of the 100, so it's so much easier. But it's still very challenging even when I'm doing it. So keep breathing. Inhale 5 times short and exhale 5 times. Inhale, exhale, and keep doing it with your own breath. Use your whole arms to pump, and if you feel like tight on your neck, you can use your hand to support your neck anytime. But when you do that, remember to switch to the other hand to make it balance. And again, use your whole arms to pump, palms facing down and open your elbows wider. Beautiful. And 2 more breaths there. So inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Bring your head and your shoulders down. Hug your knee to your chest. Inhale deeply to your nose. and exhale deeply through your mouth. Beautiful. And when you're ready, lean on one side to sit up. Do it slowly. Lengthen your spine. Now I want you to rotate your head a little bit around your neck, slowly with your own breath, and reverse. And back to the center one more time if you need to. Inhale halfway, exhale halfway, and reverse. And slowly bring it back to the center. Inhale deeply through your nose again. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad that you decided to do the beginner Pilates for beginners workout, because that means you willing to start something new. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to see notification every day when I upload new video. So see you tomorrow. Bye.